So today we'll be discussing the article Some Pigs by Joanna Rudge Long. Tales that last for generations have many such resonances. That's why they endure across cultures, circumstances, and centuries. That's why the old tale speaks to us still.
So the first thing we're going to discuss is what makes a good children's book. And that's a good story, good illustrations, pattern, and pacing. Children often look at a book's pictures before they even read the text, so it is important to have captivating illustrations to draw them in. Additionally, young readers respond well to books that are rhythmic and follow patterns. It is important to note that books do not appeal to everyone. Children gravitate toward books that they find interesting and beautifully crafted. Since there are numerous variations of traditional tales, students can choose to read the one which is right for them.
So illustrations and fonts. For example, for primary grades and up, it's Glenn Round's The Three Little Pigs and The Big Bad Wolf. The author uses angular figures defined by broad, craggy pen lines, which are complemented by the bold sans serif type. To some graphic effect, this can take the reader into a more rural America. So with illustrations and font, it can be used to enhance the text, and it can also be used to add to the mood. For young children, the cheerful color, it gives the book a sunny aura, and it brings out the tale's humor. In Paul Gauldon's 1970, The Three Little Pigs, it has deftly sketched piglets who are starry-eyed innocents in familiar-looking farmland, and his wolf is just scary enough to serve the story without provoking nightmares.
So then we'll be talking about using modern diction. So as modern writers retell classic fairy tales, it is common that they update phrasing so that students are familiar with the chosen diction. For example, in older traditional versions of The Three Little Pigs, authors reference a butter and churn, while newer versions of the story often change it to barrel.
And with telling matters, it ranges from simple to complex, from earnest to downright hilarious. None of the books are described below will appeal to everybody, but each one is excellent in its own way, and it's a worthy choice for the right child.